For project number 3, I and Tracy Wolf teamed up to design an end table with help from the furniture department at Heron School of Art. Each of us was assigned to come up with an original design proposal inspired by everyday objects around us. For my design, I wanted to create something simple yet functional that served the purpose of an end table for a sofa or a bedside. I found my inspiration in the steps of a staircase. The treads at different levels create interest as well as functionality and support. I used foam core to create usable surfaces at 2 different levels and tried to add some interest and dimension to the design by cutting out a window in one of the supporting legs. With simple straight edges, this modern-looking end table would function in a variety of spaces. Tracy Wolf wanted to develop a simple-to-build design that used the CNC to create interest. She found her inspiration in holes and ornamental patterns created with knitting. She decided to create a furniture piece with holes and cuts in a pattern. Constructed from cardboard, the table is user-friendly with extra shelving.
Both designs were presented in class. Based on feedback, we merged them. After a lot of doodling and SketchUp scenarios, a table emerged that seemed like the perfect marriage of 2 very different ideas. We went with the basic shape from Benish's design and added shapes and ornamentation for my table. Repetitive shapes and cuts added character and visual appeal. A 4x4 plywood sheet was used to cut out the table design. We set up our design files in AutoCAD and took them to Heron School, where Corey helped us cut the pieces on the table saw and on the CNC router. Back at home, we made the end tables with help from our resident woodworker, my husband. The wood was prepped with filler to repair cutting issues and sanded for a smooth surface. Then we applied the finishes before assembly, as painting the interior would be difficult after they were put together. The exterior of the tables were stained 2 coats for even coverage. Benish and I used saturated blue and green shades to personalize our pieces. Final touch-ups included covering nail holes and evening stain coverage on the board ends. Overall, we feel we were able to create a design which was simple yet functional and sturdy.